Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. We are going to make the first project in the August 2022 Sweet Sunflowers set. So what I need is this card base, this card front, this die cut, along with the For a One-of-a-Kind Friend stamp, and I'm going to need my soft suede ink spot. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to fold my card. Now everything that you need comes in the kit. Your first kit will come with an acrylic block in it. Other kits don't, because you can reuse the one from the first one. If you don't have a bone folder, or this is the only thing you've got with you when you're traveling, if you take this traveling, you can just use the side of your block to just smooth down that edge and make it really crisp. So we have this one, and I'm just trying to decide which way up this actually goes. And I think it goes this way up. So the first thing I need to do is I need to take some adhesive dots, and I need to put them on the back of my card front here. So just 4 of them, it says, and just in each corner. That one stayed stuck to the plastic, so there we go. Okay, so I just need to pop these off. If you've got a little piercing tool, you can use that to pick these off. Again, I try and do these demos with just what's in the kit, so if you've got the kit, you can do it. The only thing you might need is just a pair of scissors. So we're going to center this down on the front of the card like that, and just give it a bit of a push. Okay, and we need to stamp our greeting. So we're just going to ink up the greeting. Make sure we've got lots of ink on there. And sometimes these stamps, just through the process, the photopolymers can be a little bit, still have a little bit of residual chemical on them. So it's always good to kind of stamp them off and then re-ink, just so you get a really, really good crisp ink print on your project. So I am just going to pop that down. The nice thing about the photopolymer too is you can tell when your ink is laid down, because it'll change color. So I've got this done now, and the instructions say to put dimensionals on the back of this, and I've got 2 little tiny bumblebees here, and you put a dimensional in the back of each of the bumblebees, and then you build your card. So I'm going to put the lid back on my Stampin' Spot, and I need my dimensionals. So I'm just going to grab, it says to put 2 on the back of this one, and then 1 each on the bumblebees. So they are the perfect size to just pop 1 dimensional on the back. Now we need to put this up here and just a little bit offset. So let's do that. And we're going to put it just above those flowers and just offset. There we go. And now the bumblebees, where do the bumblebees go? There is one actually right on here, like this. So there we go. And then the other one goes just on these little flowers here, just like that. So that is our first project done in the August 22 Sweet Sunflowers kit. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for project number 2.